So, good day, sir. I am Dominique Eurika Katada from Section A, and I will be performing on how to hack the content pages that were given. So, in here, I will paste the URL and then execute. So, this will lead to the content pages. So, we have content number 1, content number 2, and content number 3. So, in here, content number 1, we have an integer. So, these are the details shown. So, to able to hack this one, we will put an apostrophe here and then execute. So, this will tell us that this is now prone to hacking. So, after this, we should know the columns that are available. So, we'll delete the apostrophe and type order by 1. So, execute, and then this is the output. So, we will try another number to know if it is an available column. So, 6, so there is 6. So, we'll try 9. So, in 9, it is an error. It is stated here that 9 is an unknown column. So, we'll try 8. So, in here, we will know that 8 is the last column from digits 1 to 9. So we'll delete the order by and then put a false statement. So false statement is 1 equals 2. So this is a false statement, or we can just place and false and then union select and then the columns that are available. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So execute. So this will be the output. In order to know the user version and database, we will replace 1, 2, 3. So so user open close parenthesis comma version open close comma and database. So open close. So we'll execute. So this is now the details. So we already have the one that is an integer content. So clear. We will now proceed to content number 2. So execute. So we'll go to content. So in here, this is a string. So Harry, and same as the first one, we will place an apostrophe here. So execute. So now we will know that this is now prone to hacking. So after this, we'll place the one and 1 equals 1. So this is an error. So we'll try to put an apostrophe then 1. So in here, this is a successful one, I'd rather say. So this is a true statement rather. So if we'll try the 2, this will be now a false statement. Okay, so next, same process, we should know the columns. So order by 1 and then 2 dashes and the plus sign. So execute. So there is column 1. Next, we'll try 5. Okay, so there is still column 5. Next, we'll try 9. So still the same, there is no column 9. See, unknown column. So 8. So 8 is still the last column. Okay, so after that, we'll erase this one. Then Harry false statement or end false. Oops, end false, and then union select So available columns again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Execute. So, Harry and Foxy and select. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here. Lacking this one. Here, this one. Okay, so here the details are now shown. So after this, we'll replace same again the 1232 user, version, and database. So now we've completely hacked content number 2. So let's now proceed to the content number 3. So paste again the URL and then content number 2. So in here, this is a different one. So we will replace mw equals to 0 and apostrophe. So in here, in order to know the right code, or so we'll copy this. So copy, and then we'll go to the base64encode.org. So we'll place here 0 apostrophe. So to that encode. So the result will be mc c. So copy this. Paste. So execute. So this is now vulnerable to hacking. After this, we will know the columns again. So 0 order by, still the same as the content number 1, but this one we will encode this to the base64. So not all, just this one, 0 to 1. So copy, and then go back to base64 encode, go up. So here, encode. So copy this one, the result of the encoded data. So select all, copy, and then go back here. So in here, we'll delete this one, then paste. So now execute. So this is now the column 1. Okay, so again, in order to know the other columns, we will still do the same. So order by 1. So let's try 6. So again, this one, copy this one. So that one. Then go to base64. Then here. So select all and paste. So it's now changed to 6. So encode. Okay. So now this is the result. Select all, copy, and then go back to DH hack bar. So replace this with the result of the encoded one. So execute. So there is still column 6. So again, we'll change to 9. Let's try 9. Oops, no. Here, copy here again. This one. Then go back to base64. And then change this one. Select. So encode. Okay, so this is the result. Copy. So again, change this one to the result. Please execute. So it is still unknown column 9. Okay, so let's do 8. So copy again. code. So this is the result. Copy. Go back to the HHAC bar and then replace this. Oops. Okay, so execute. So the last one is 8 again. After this, we will display the columns again. So 0 and the false statement again, and false, or the 1 equals 2 is still the same. So union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So copy this again. Copy. And then here, encode again. Okay, so encode. This one, this is the result now. So copy everything. And then go back here, replace again. Execute. So this is now the details. So again, we'll do this again. So here, so again, replace 1, 2, 3 with a user, version, and database. So user, open close parenthesis, comma, version, open close parenthesis, and database. Oops. Database. So this one, comma, wrong place. So comma. So again, copy this one, and here to the end, copy, and go back to base 64 again, and then select all, paste. Something wrong. Database. Here. Okay. So this is now the result, and then select all, copy. So in here, replace this and paste. Execute. Now we've successfully hacked the content number 3. So now I am done performing the given task. Thank you, sir.